Ainsley's playing at her little rainforest play gym. Having fun, Ains? You having a good time? She'll sit under this for about 10 or 20 minutes at a time. Long enough for me to take a shower, blow dry my hair, or get on the computer. Conveniently located right there. Do you like the bird? Do you like that parrot? You like that, Ainsley?